jewelry installment a good or bad debt?
The first question that you need to ask yourself when it comes to jewelries is what's the purpose of you buying that particular jewelry? Makonsider lang siya as a good debt if you have the intention to sell it when the price goes up. Let's say, for example, nakuha mo siya dati at 15,000 pesos. Then umakyat yung value niya to 25,000 pesos. Congratulations, you have an unrealized profit of 10,000 pesos. The problem is, umaasa yung value niya but you don't want to sell it because of whatever reason. Masarap lang siya pakinggan na, itong jewelry umakyat ng value but you did not convert it to cash. Therefore, it is not considered to be an investment. Meron ding iba, yung reason nila kung bakit sila bumili ng isang jewelry is memorabilia. Let's say, bumili siya ng jewelry, yun yung gift niya sa kanyang anak. Kung hindi niya ibenta yung jewelry kasi nga it is a sentimental value, kahit na umakyat na yung value niya, then it is not considered to be a good investment pa rin eh. Because the sentimental value is more important compared to the financial value. It's going to be a good investment. Installment ba yan siya if you plan to sell it at a higher price or gawin mo siyang emergency fund? Yun kasi yung logic na ibang tao rin na bumibili sila ng mga jewelries to treat it as an emergency fund. The same thing, you have an intention to convert that product into cash. So that's the perspective I have around jewelries regardless kung good debt or bad debt siya or investment pa siya o hindi.